Today I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of any kind of bird nest. So first, what you want to do is don't pull the line out of here. Where you see where it overlaps, which for mine is like right there, pull all the line out, like this. Then after you have pulled all the line out and you don't see the overlap anymore, then you pull the line out here and repeat it. Sometimes it takes one try, sometimes it takes three. Then pull, and it doesn't work. And I'll get back with you guys when it works. Okay, so I've got all this line out, and you pull, pull, pull. You keep pulling till eventually it looks like that.